All right, welcome judges. Thank you guys so much for your time and being able to judge our high school competition that's coming up globally. And with that, one part of the competition is the scoring card, which again, because of everything going on amidst Corona, we've actually been able to convert that to being a virtual scorecard. So this is again, the same as the physical card, but again, turned into a mechanism where we can collect the data quickly, faster, and then obviously have it where, we don't need the physical piece. So the gentleman that has put this together is Gordon Grant from Atlanta, has helped with already a numerous amount of competitions, not only for the high schoolers, but for the universities as well. So I'm going to turn it over to Gordon to go ahead and break down the scorecard.
Thank you, Amin. Hey, what you have in front of you is the scorecard, and it's pretty simple. When you just finish hearing the pitch, you'll see the team name, and I have team 1 through 8 in here, but you'll see the actual team name, so you don't have to guess which is team 1, which is team. This is just a placeholder for you. So you would choose, say, team 1, your actual judge's name, not judge 1 through 5 will be in here. Say you're judge 4. And now for each of the criteria that you're judging the teams on, you'll go ahead and use the radio buttons from 1 to 10. If you have some comments you'd like to make on each of the criteria, the 8 criteria, add them here where it says notes for customer validation, etc. So if you just pop down through here, you'll see that this team did pretty well, and you'll just pick the click the buttons. All the scores are required. The notes are not required, they're optional. The one thing I will tell you, when you finish the last section here, presentation Q&A, there's a question right here that says, please provide feedback. The red asterisk says it's required. So the teams are certainly appreciative of any feedback you can give them. So you would enter here as much as you'd like. Say this is feedback for team 3. And just make sure, team 1, see? And I'll ask you to choose the team again, just so that with all the pitches you've heard through the day, you'll get it right. And so you hit submit at the end. It's off into the cloud. We have a back-end system that's running automatically, which will aggregate and consolidate and average and rank all the teams dynamically. Now you're ready to hear the next pitch, and you'll hit the button here. It says click for the next response, and here you go. You're ready for the next team to be judged.
Beautiful. Thanks so much, Gordon. And then judges as well, because again, the whole competition is virtual, as you guys already know. It does make it easier for you guys who want to get creative with obviously having the scorecard pulled up on a different device like a tablet while you actually view the pitches on your different screen. So again, these are just a couple ways, but this is a Google Forms link to make it easier for you. The link will be provided to each of the judges from the person who's actually managing the track. So if you have any questions, please do reach out to that track lead, and they should be able to clarify any questions that you have. Thanks so much. Thanks so much, Gordon.
Okay.